Hi, how are you doing, guys? I'm Demi from CJ Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a type of business model which enables dropshippers to do business without maintaining product inventory and shipping products to customers themselves. The supplier and fulfilling company will store products and directly ship them to final customers. However, if you want to stand out and grow dropshipping business bigger, you cannot just run ads and place orders, then wait in queue for orders processing. In particular, during high season and Chinese Lunar New Year and even this unexpected coronavirus, you need to prepare product stocks to warehouses, whether you own or other warehouses like CJ's warehouse, in advance for high season and supplier vacation. Only in that way you can boost store orders and normally send them out without any delays. CJ already has 2 warehouses in the US and now is building the 6th warehouse in Indonesia and plan to build the 7th warehouse in Europe. The first advantage is faster order processing and delivery. The general dropshipping procedure is that supplier dispatch your order after you come to place order. That makes sense in normal days, but there will be some problems during peak season, where suppliers have to process orders according to pay time because lots of buyers make purchases at the same time. You cannot get promise that your orders can be processed faster, which will undoubtedly cause delays to some customers. The second advantage is you can continue ads on vacations. By purchasing product inventory to warehouses ahead of vacation, you can continuously run ads for your products while those dropshippers without stocks have to stop. For example, the vast majority of dropshippers have to temporarily suspend Facebook ads during Chinese New Year holiday because Chinese suppliers and logistics companies are on vacation. The third advantage is that you can fulfill needs of some country-sensitive customers. Using local warehouse enables parcels marked from local. Country-sensitive customers don't want parcels from some particular states or regions like China. CJ warehouses are set for this purpose. Taking CJ US warehouses as an example, by buying product inventory there, you can enjoy 2 to 4 days delivery by USPS from the time you place order to parcel received, which is a great attraction to US customers compared with those which take weeks, even months to arrive at the US. And you can still run ads and place orders as normal during Chinese New Year because US warehouses and US shipping service will not be affected by Chinese New Year. The last but not least is that you can meet country-sensitive customers' needs if they don't want parcels shipped from China, especially after coronavirus disease spread in China. What's the policy of using CJ US warehouses? There are 3 conditions. Number 1, the product amount for one SKU should be no less than 10 pieces for a variant and no less than 100 pieces for total. Number 2, the goods cannot be measurement cargo. Number 3, customers should pay for products and shipping fees. How much does CJ charge using CJ US warehouses? If your products are sourced from CJ, it's totally free to use CJ warehouse. No setup fee, no monthly fee, no storage fee. It's free. The only cost for you are product cost and shipping cost. If you have your product supplier but want to use CJ warehouses, which is CJ's fulfillment service, CJ will charge service fees such as processing fee and storage fee. What's the procedure if I want to buy inventory to US warehouses? If you are determined to purchase some inventory to CJ US warehouses, simply go to our marketplace and follow steps. After receiving your purchase request, CJ will prepare products and ship them to CJ US warehouses by DHL. Then you can start to run your ads advertising with domestic shipping service and promising 2 to 4 days delivery. Once you get converted orders and place deducted orders to CJ, where you need only to pay shipping fees by USPS without paying for products. CJ will process the orders at the fastest speed. If you choose to use normal order fulfillment service, the procedure is that CJ will process orders and ship them out from China warehouse to final customers after confirming your orders, which usually takes 7 to 15 days by CJ packet. To further drive dropshippers' business growth, CJ removes the restriction that only VIP can apply for CJ US warehouses, as well as other warehouses like Thailand warehouse. Only in that way, dropshippers can make full use of CJ's service to benefit each other and go further. For more tutorial videos of CJ services, please check the playlist of tutorials on our channel. Subscribe us if you haven't to avoid missing our updates. Thanks so much for watching. See you at next videos.